Hi, welcome to the Milwaukee Makerspace. Today we're going to be replacing our power supply. It failed. So right now we jury-rigged this power supply and we are going to be replacing it with this one. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut these nylon straps. And then take these wires off and put them on our new unit. Also make sure the unit is off before you remove the power supply. Here's the new power supply, which we'll be rewiring to our Mogul. First I'm going to wire and test the power supply before I take these screws off and mount it to the Mogul. Works with the X, works with the Y. Okay, the unit is working, now we're going to mount this permanently. Final test for all the different axes, X, Y, and Z. It's all set for many more cuts. Thank you for watching.